We're going to have to work on that. So welcome back for another video, and today it's a little bit different. I'm going to be bringing the kids along and they're going to be riding this beast in a junior Khanacross. The format will be a little bit different, bit of a longer video because I'm going to try and cover as much of both of their stories as I can. So just sit back and relax and let's see how things go. Start creeping forward.
Where do you want me to creep up to?
I'll tell you when. Stop.
There we go.
Alright. Alright, we're good to go. Power down. Whoa. On the outside. Bit of zigzagging.
Whoa.
Zigzag. Around the outside. And then left hand box. Keep going, keep going.
Yep.
Don't go narrow like Angus did, a bit wider. There we go. Turn him. Into the box. Not so far this way. There we go. Stop. Stop.
Alrighty. We got this. I'm nervous.
You'll be alright. Off the brake, creep forward.
Ooh.
Keep going, keep going. Alright, you're good to go.
Where's the first cone? There it
Right
is.
there.
Should I take a wide approach like
No,
this?
keep going, just power out. Round, that way.
That way?
Yep.
Yep.
Turn it around. Take your foot off the brake.
It is on.
Around the outside of this one, they've moved this one out a bit. That's alright, outside the other one. Power up, power.
Oh, damn, didn't say that.
Yeah, right. Speed that way.
Oh,
Power,
shit.
power.
This one?
Yep, around. And around the outside. Keep going, power. Zigzag. Wider.
Like this?
Yep.
Yeah.
And now turn in tight. Power. And stop in the box. Alright, now go. Right, stop.
Yep.
Okay, we're good? Okay, go. Yeah, give it some, son. Power, just power. Power.
Keep going.
You don't need to stop, you can just keep going. Zigzag. Right, around the outside and then back. Back, more.
Yeah, I'm trying.
It's okay, just when in doubt, power out. Around, alright, around the outside of that one. Power. Alright, wide, in. Keep going. Stop. Look at that. Alright, off you go. Yep, alright, you're good to go.
Alright. Whoa.
Keep going. Power out. Nice and wide. In. Around. It's alright. Power.
I reckon this is my run.
Maybe. Keep going. Alright. Outside. The next two. Outside.
This is the
Straighten up,
one.
straighten. Like power. Alright.
I'm gonna go out a bit.
Out a bit. Zigzag. More power. Right, take it wide. A bit wide. Alright, turn in. Not too close. There we go. Alright. Power. Alright, stop. Look at that. Sub 100.
Yep.
Alright, go.
That felt quick.
It was quick. We've made it through the morning session reasonably unscathed. Both of the boys are building good confidence behind the wheel, especially Lincoln, given it's his first time ever driving a car. After lunch we've got a few more runs to round out the day, so let's see how they go. That'll do you. Alright, you're good to go.
Alright. This way. Is it
Tight,
Yep.
and then around that. Nice.
There we go.
Now tight. And tight.
There we go.
Yep, that's the way.
Shit.
More power. Right, back the other way.
Oh shit.
You're right.
We're going quick.
Yeah, that's fine. You just power it out. Outside.
That's a little.
Straight, straight. No, no, other way, other way.
Oh, what?
That way.
Huh?
Go, that way, that way, that way.
That way? Oh, I probably failed that.
No, no. You didn't miss it. You
All
just
right.
went to go the wrong way. Keep going.
Got confused there.
Through there. Into the garage. Alright, and stop. Stop. Very good.
101.
Alright, now go.
That wasn't bad.
Stop. Alright, you're good to go.
Okay.
You ready?
I'm assuming same start.
Same start, yep. Tight. And outside. Straight. Oh no, yeah, that one. Yep, zigzag. Outside, outside, outside. Tight. No, no, that way, that way. That way!
Oh, that wasn't very clear.
I said inside, outside. And that way.
Around the white one.
Around the bright one, and then
restart.
tight at the red one. Tight right. Left. Outside, outside. Pin it. Outside, outside. Outside.
Yep.
Outside. Tight. Thread the needle.
Yep.
And stop. That's pretty good. Right, go. That's about 80,
84.
84.
Wow.
Alright. Stop. Right, you good to go?
Yep.
So straight ahead.
Yep. So straight ahead around those.
So
Oh, just
left,
straight through.
Left,
yeah.
right, left. Yeah.
Okay. And then around.
And then around that way. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And then that way. And then around. And then inside.
And then outside.
Outside. Inside.
Yep.
Outside, outside, outside.
You don't follow the tracks, I create my own.
That's fine. Keep going. Tight. Oh, not tight, too tight, sorry.
Yeah.
Alright, tight.
Very tight.
That way, that way, that way.
That way. Okay.
And then around again.
Yep. Okay. I now understand the track a bit better.
Very good. Get tight. Inside. It's done. inside, it's soft, it won't affect your tyres.
Okay.
Outside. Keep going. In tight. Right.
Around that.
Around.
Yep. Okay.
And stop. Stop.
A bit better than last time.
Alright, go.
What was that, 82?
Yeah, about that.
Bloody hell. I feel like I did pretty good though.
You did. Oh. Very good, mate. That was
Thank
awesome.
you.
Stop. Alright, when you're ready.
Alright.
So we're going to go straight.
Yep. Whoa.
That's alright, go.
Straight.
Straight. And then tight around this one.
Yep.
Bit more power. Outside.
Yep. This one's
Outside. Tight.
Ooh. Drift.
More tight. No, you missed it. Never mind.
Oh, I did.
No, it's okay. Keep going that way. You missed it. It's all right.
Zigzag.
Zigzag. Outside. Don't worry about it. No point dwelling on it. Right. Now left. No, that way and left around there.
Round.
Yes, this way.
All right. And then
Tight.
tight.
More power.
Ooh.
Tight. There we go. That's better.
There we go.
Back around. Outside. Tight back around this one.
Ooh. This one's a bit difficult.
That's all right. Tight. Down.
There we go.
Tight. Tight up. All right. Back around. Okay, and then around that one, and right. Tight. And in. Stop. Alright, now go. Good run.
I didn't do bad.
Well, that was a fantastic day. I'm sure the boys really enjoyed it. I know I did. It was a little bit scary at times, but you know, at the end we walked away from it and no one was harmed. Keep an eye out for the next one because I'm coming back tomorrow for me, but it'll be a couple of weeks for you guys. I'm doing the same thing all over again myself in a senior Khanacross. Should be a lot of fun. Till then, my name's Josh, this is Swift Street, and thank you for watching.